Hi team, this is George. I want to talk about our assignments coming due June 4th. Hi everybody, this is George. I want to talk real quick about our assignment that's coming due June 4th. It's basically our prototype and the parts and pieces that come together so you can present that prototype June 4th. Or you're not going to present it, you're going to post it into the assignments forum. So as we look at that assignment, there's several things that are required. One of the first ones that should jump out at you is the objectives. And when you're building your objectives, really remember, how are you going to assess that objective? Assessment, assessment, assessment. Because we can build a fantastic objective, we can take it to the highest level of learning, and then we test it with a knowledge-based quiz or something like that. And for your assessments, remember you have formative and summative feedback. So the reason why I'm pointing this out is because in your storyboard, if you have formative feedback, that means depending on their responses, they're going to go certain places most likely. So in your storyboard, you want to be very clear on how you point that out. And that could just simply be a statement. If 60% go to slide 41100, if 80% or above go to 51100, it could be something as simple as that. So I always leave the how you're going to do that up to you, because you're much more creative than I. So I appreciate all the effort that you all are putting into this. And on the objectives here, whoops, sorry. I'm getting there, okay. The storyboard. Remember, it's a visual layout, so however you're going to do it, I'm leaving the how up to you as well. We've shown several tools, so pick one you like and just really kind of go for it. Jump in, dive in. If you want to do a wireframe, feel free to do a wireframe. If you want to do a different type of storyboard, feel free to do that. I'm always open for multiple different creative ways of getting the job done, as long as we have the components in there so I can follow along that storyboard and kind of see what's going, where everybody's going to happen, where it's going to happen. And then we need make sure I'm on the right one. I would use this board, but the technology has failed me today. So, and make sure that you have in that also complete documentation for all the content. That means your assessments should now be completely designed. Instructional content should be complete, and any additional instructions or resources should be available as well. So you can really start putting stuff together and really honing your product at this time. Now, assessments and all this piece, all the creative piece, I can help you as much as you like with that. So if you need any time to just one-on-one time get together and look at the project, maybe just throw some ideas around or actually get more concrete help, please let me know. I'm always available by text, email, phone, 760-912-9242. So I just appreciate all the effort that you all are putting into this project. I know it can be kind of crazy at sometimes, but remember, we're following the prototype model, rapid prototyping, so it's different than a lot of people have been exposed to, so it can feel a little bit chaotic at times. So just know that that's part of the process, and once you run through a rapid prototyping process a couple times, it really just kind of settles in, and you get used to the chaos. The chaos feels good. It's a comfortable place to be. So just know that we're headed in the right direction. We have all this covered, and I look forward to seeing those of you who can make it on Thursday. Be there on Thursday, and if not, I hope this video helps. So take care.